time to gain those six-pack abs with this 6-minute only ab workout that you can perform absolutely anywhere with no equipment needed. Let's get it. How's it going? Conor here, helping you lose more body fat, building muscle mass so you can look and feel your best. Now in today's video, it's going to be a follow along 6-pack ab blasting workout that you and I can work out together to really push each other to the limit. Now, as you know, once it comes to building 6-pack abs, you need to have a good solid nutritional plan, okay? These workouts are really going to help build up the strength, and if you do them on a consistent basis, you're going to see some incredible results. But keep in mind, you need to have a good solid nutrition plan, okay? So this workout is going to consist of 6 different movements. We're going to perform each exercise for 45 seconds and take a 15-second rest in between each movement, so it's going to be intense. The first exercise, you're going to be in your plank position, and I want you to throw a plank punch, okay? So you're sort of rotating your torso like so, throwing a bit of power into the punch. So that's exercise number 1. I'm going to get the timer ready. We're going for 45 seconds and taking a 15-second rest in between. Going in 3, 2, 1. Here we go, plank punches. So I just want you to push yourself to the limit. It's you against you with this workout. I'd love to perform these quick and intense ab workouts on a daily basis, as it really helps me push closer to my goals. Ab training doesn't need to last long. It's just about consistency and keeping a good solid nutrition plan, and you're going to see the results that you want. 5 seconds remaining. Okay, brilliant. Next exercise, these are V crunch. So you're lying back, and you bring your knees up, meeting in the middle like so. Okay, exercise number 2, 1 and 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Lying back, coming right up. Keep that momentum for 30 seconds. Twenty seconds remaining. Keep it going. 10 seconds on the clock. 4. Get another rep, man. Okay, good work. The next one, back in to your plank position. Plank get up. So you're just getting up, getting back down again, switching hand as you get up. Okay, plank get ups. Here we go. Short rest means the workout is intense, but I just want you to push yourself as hard as you can. If you need to take a wee bit extra rest, go for it. It's exercise number 3, we're halfway. Keep it going. Showcase from the side. 20 seconds remaining. Yes, 5 seconds. Okay, brilliant. Exercise number 4 is your crisscross. So you're lying back, just crissing and crossing like so. Bring the legs up and back down again. So it's a combination of a crisscross and a leg raise. Here we go. You can also place your hands underneath your hips, okay, if your back's a wee bit sore. Just push as hard as you can. 30 seconds, that's a count out. I'm really feeling that exercise today. Keep it going, wait 10 seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay team, exercise number 5. It's going to be a reverse crunch. So you're lying back, just bring your knees into your chest like so. Okay? So we're trying to bring your hips off the ground like that. Okay? Here we go. That's a very good movement, working your lower abs. You can also place your hands underneath your hips if you need to. That'll also enable you to go a wee bit more explosive with the exercise. I want you to bring your legs out straight and right up forward again. Keep the momentum. Wow. 10 seconds. Okay team, last exercise, window wipers. So I want you to bring your legs down to one side, right down the other side like so. Slow and control. The last exercise. Here we go. So you're bringing them down to one side, holding it for a few seconds, and then up, and way down to the opposite side. Throw the breathing in and out. Keep it going. Every rep. You're there, 10 seconds. So team, that is, there's your 6 minute only 6-pack ab blasting workout complete. I just want to say a big well done. Now that is not an easy workout, it's quick, but it's extremely intense and most importantly very effective. And if you want, you can always go ahead and perform another round or even another 2 or 3 rounds to really push yourself. But I want you to get into the mindset of trying to do this on a consistent basis. Because if you can stay consistent with your training, you're going to see some incredible results. And that goes alongside with your nutrition, okay? If you can stay consistent, having a good solid nutritional plan, you're going to see some incredible results. This is why I perform daily ab training, to really push myself towards my goals, okay? So team, if you enjoyed this video, and you enjoy these follow along workout videos, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of the video, how you got on with the workout, or if you have any questions, leave them below and I'll get back to you, as I always do. And team, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of these upcoming videos to push you forward with your fitness and health journey. Also team, share this video with your mates, challenge them, get them started with their fitness journey. And if you're looking to get into the absolute best shape and the best health of your life by working personally alongside with me, click the link below and apply now for my one-on-one online transformation coaching program, and hopefully you and I will get working personally together. But team, once again, thanks so much for the incredible support. Have a good day and I'll see you in the next video. If you haven't done this workout video, replay it and smash it and let me know how you get on. See you then.